Just steps from the Atlantic Ocean in Jacksonville Beach, Seascape stands out, a sweeping S-shaped condominium community that welcomes residents and guests year-round. Building on the success of the 2025 Phase 1 landscaping project, which refreshed the front entry, Phase 2 expands that vision, transforming both sides of the walled entry corridor into a more cohesive coastal landscape. The process began with a full tear-out and debris removal, clearing the slate for a more intentional design. At the core of the design is a continued focus on native and coastal resilient materials. New bed lines were carved out to better define the space, while fresh turf was introduced just beyond the planting areas, softening the edges and creating a clean, seamless transition from structure to landscape. Additional sable palms were installed, while pygmy date palms are thoughtfully spaced throughout. Blue days, fountain grass, and oyster plants bring depth, movement, and color. Coquina boulders were carefully integrated along both sides of the entry wall, grounding the design in the natural textures of the surrounding coastline. To ensure long-term success, a drip irrigation system was installed throughout the beds, providing consistent, efficient hydration while minimizing runoff in this ocean-adjacent environment. Completed in the spring, the timing gives these plantings the advantage of establishing ahead of the summer heat. And the response has been immediate. Property management and residents alike have taken notice, with strong feedback reflecting the impact of the transformation. As the greens, reds, and blues continue to mature throughout the year, Seascape is becoming more than just a well-landscaped property. It's a refined coastal environment.